let's reverse engineer this cute little paper dragon from Teamfight Tactics Dragonlands.
You looked upon the infinite cosmos, summoned me into this, admittedly rather adorable form, just so I could teach you.
But today, we're gonna bring him to life. The question is, can he really be made out of one piece of paper? While there's many origami bases that can give us limbs, there's no easy way we can get the detail we would need while also preserving the simplicity of the imaginary model. Because of this, I've opted the modular route, so I'm using multiple pieces of paper. Starting out with the head, the most prominent feature, I think, is the mane. To get that texture, I'm going to make an accordion. I'll shape the neck and mane some more, and I think that looks pretty accurate. Next, hind legs. By squash folding here, it kind of looks like a T. And by folding that in half, that'll pretty much give us our legs. Now for those back spiky things. This is just going to be another accordion, except I'm going to fan out the folds here, but when I fold it back into a point, they look just like spikes, and there you go. The arms are pretty straightforward, except I'm folding at an angle here to kind of mimic the shape of the arms in the picture. Fold the arms to a point, and I think it looks pretty good. Now for the body. While I'm using a lot of typical origami folds, this model is really more origami inspired. Since our reference doesn't exist in our physical reality, it doesn't really have to abide by the restrictions of real origami. So I've bent the rules and cut a slit in our paper here, which is going to be really important in just a bit. For the shaping, I'm crimping at an angle on the tail and outside reverse folding the tip. Now we want to give Aurelion a bit of an arch in his back, so I'm going to crimp at an angle again, and we'll go ahead and do some arbitrary shaping by referencing the original picture. Okay, so how does this all go together? Well, in the game, the arms aren't really attached to anything at all, so I think we can safely assume that he's being held together by magic. I don't have any magic on me at the moment, so I'm going to use glue. Now that slit from before is going to come in handy. I'm going to glue the spike and head into the opening, and next I'll add the arms, the legs, and of course some details to make him the cosmic entity that he is. And here we go, a complete Aurelion soul, or at least his cute little paper form. If you'd like to make your own Celestial Champion, check out my free printable template. Or of course you can witness this magical dragon and more by playing Teamfight Tactics Dragonlands.